Shandong Dongtai Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2008. It is located in the National High-Tech Lingang Economic Development Zone. It is a domestic, professional, automatic packaging machinery manufacturing company, which integrates R&D, production, sales, and service. It has been certified by ISO 9001-2015 system, and some products have been certified by European Union CE. The products are exported to Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia. The company aims at the development of intelligent packaging equipment for the food market and the daily chemical market, and provides an efficient, energy-saving, and personalized packaging machinery and package program for the food and daily chemical manufacturing enterprises. Our main products are servo motor-driven piston type filling machine, 1,000 milliliters, 1 to 5 liters viscous fluid flow meter type filling machine, 5 to 25 liters weighing filling machine, and so on. It covers various filling methods of volumetric filling machine, and also covering various fields of filling, capping, labeling, and packing. It's one of the earliest enterprises engaged in filling production line. Company has always been to people-oriented, science and technology leader, integrity management, and create a well-known brand for the purpose, and provide the quality products and perfect after-sales service for customers. Facing the future, our company is committed to the research and development of high-quality packaging machinery products, create the mechanical products with international competitiveness, and with the world together, go ahead.